Assalamu alaikum dear children. Our today's topic is Unit 1 1.1 Be the Best Warming Up. So let's start. Question number 1 A. Read aloud the following sets of words. Set A. River, stream, sea, ocean. Set B. Hill, stone, mountain, rock. Set C. Plant, sapling, tree, seed. Set D. Child, adult, baby, youth. Question B. Rearrange each of the above sets of words according to the increasing order of their size or growth. यानी अभी आपने जो चारों सेट्स अभी पढ़े हैं, इनको हर सेट को हमको इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सेट ए स्ट्रीम, रिवर, सी एंड ओशन. सेट बी stone, rock, hill, mountain. Set C. Seed, sapling, plant, tree. Set D. Baby, child, youth, and then adult. Let's read the next question. Question number 2. In your pre-primary classes, you must have learnt the story of the lion and the mouse. Read it in English and fill in the gaps using words given in the box. A lion was sleeping in a jungle. A mouse started playing on him. The lion got up angrily. He caught the mouse and was ready to kill it. The mouse begged the lion to leave it and said that someday it would help the lion. The lion laughed and let it go. One day, the lion was caught in a net set up by hunters. He roared loudly as he tried too hard to escape. The mouse heard the lion and came. It chewed up the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. Moral of the story is, whoever it be, whatever size, we should help each other, and these kind deeds always get rewarded. Now we have done. Thank you so much, children. Goodbye. See you soon.